Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For my talent tonight, I have decided to do something a little different, something that you will least expect to be performed at a pageant. Tonight, my performance will not only benefit myself, but will also benefit you all in some shape or form. The purpose behind my talent this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is purely based on empowering Polynesian women of all ages to shift society's views on how women are perceived today, through maintaining a healthier lifestyle that we are just as capable as men are holistically. I chose powerlifting as my item for tonight because I feel that there is a need for people to see what women can actually do, and with that added bonus, there are also health benefits you can gain as well. Statistics taken from the World Health Organization have proven that the Polynesian population are at risk in terms of their health levels and well-being. The way I see it, the term unhealthy is not a permanent disease, ladies and gentlemen. It is an issue that can be fixed. With an open mind, strong mindset, and realistic goals, you cannot go wrong. Tonight, I will be performing a squat and deadlift to showcase strength, power, and the fact that females are just as strong and capable as men. There is huge misconception and stereotype messages about males being the provider, enabler, stronger and wiser, and that we females are seen as housewives who only have value in the kitchen and should not leave the home. The way I see it, men get all the glory. What do you think? I have chosen powerlifting because I have great passion for this sport. Powerlifting is the strongest sport worldwide, and I feel that through powerlifting, females can definitely make a difference and change society's perception and views on our abilities and capabilities. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Exercise that affect their ability to live a full, healthy life. Anything from getting out of a chair to squatting down to pick something off the floor requires squat strength, especially as we get older. Proper squat technique is absolutely critical to maintain health. We started with 60 kilos. Next riders will be 80 kilos. Miss Kele'a Tonga has competed in novice powerlifting competition in March 2015 and won gold medal for her weight division. One, two, squats. Next try, Miss Kele'a Tonga will try 100 kilograms. Miss Kele'a Tonga has won a gold medal for the Auckland Powerlifting Championship in April 2015. Now she's losing a health to help her back. Give it a hand for Miss Kele'a Tonga for 100 kilos. 1, 2, squats. Miss Kele'a Tonga will be back firm after the competition and will compete in National Powerlifting Championship for New Zealand. Last try for Miss Kele'a Tonga. She will try 120 kilos. Give it a hand for Miss Kele'a Tonga. 1, 2, squat. Woo! Yeah. Miss Kele'a Tonga own personal best for squat is 150 kilos, but for tonight we showcase up to 120. Coming up next will be the deadlift. She will start out with 60 kilos. Her personal best for deadlift was 150 kilograms. Give it a hand for Miss Kele'a Tonga, 60 kilos. last try with deadlift. Miss Kele'a Tonga will try 100 kilogram deadlift. Give it a hand for Miss Kele'a Tonga. 100 kilograms. Thank you very much. Very fortunate for first year official lifting. She's hoping to compete in the mini game here in Tonga 2019. Thank you very much.